Welcome to our presentation of the ROBO Pump, IAI's innovative vacuum pump system designed specifically for precision engineering applications. This specialized solution represents our commitment to quality and innovation in industrial automation. The ROBO Pump is engineered to deliver precise vacuum control for demanding manufacturing environments, offering a perfect balance of functionality and efficiency. The ROBO Pump stands out with 4 exceptional features that set it apart in the market. It comes with built-in solenoid valve and pressure sensor integration, eliminating the need for external components. Its compact design allows for installation directly at the robot arm tip, maximizing efficiency in automated systems. The innovative energy-saving mode automatically stops the motor during adsorption, reducing power consumption. Most importantly, it offers superior performance at a more competitive price point compared to similar vacuum pumps. The standard model measures just 42.5 by 64 by 98.7 millimeters and weighs only 320 grams, while our upcoming air blower variant will offer enhanced capabilities in a slightly larger package. Installation and operation of the ROBO Pump couldn't be simpler. The system requires no complex air piping, connecting directly to your power source and vacuum tube. Its compact palm-sized design makes it incredibly versatile for various mounting positions. The intuitive display interface provides real-time pressure monitoring, showing current vacuum levels up to minus 54 kilopascal pressure. You can easily configure alarm settings, adjust threshold parameters for suction and release pressures, and modify operating patterns through the user-friendly interface. The system allows for precise control of release timing and energy-saving modes, ensuring optimal performance for your specific application. Let's examine the ROBO Pump's technical components in detail. The front features a clear status display system with wireless and operational LED indicators, providing instant visual feedback of the pump's status. The thoughtfully designed front panel includes an easy-to-use operation switch and clear display panel. On the rear, you'll find the connector ports and air suction joint, all engineered for durability and reliable operation. The LED indicator system uses different colors and patterns to communicate various operational states, making system monitoring straightforward and efficient. In real-world applications, the ROBO Pump truly shines. When integrated into automated assembly lines, it seamlessly coordinates with robotic arms to handle various components with precision and reliability. The system's compact design and versatile mounting options allow it to operate effectively in different positions and orientations, making it ideal for diverse industrial automation applications. Whether handling small electronic components or larger manufacturing materials, the ROBO Pump maintains consistent performance and reliable vacuum control. Each ROBO Pump comes as a complete package with everything needed for immediate implementation. The standard package includes comprehensive documentation with a fast step guide and safety guide, ensuring proper setup and operation. All necessary connectivity components are provided, including power and communication cables, I/O connectors, and an interface box with conversion cable. This complete solution approach means you can begin integration right out of the box. When ordering your ROBO Pump, you'll find our model number system makes it easy to specify exactly what you need. The RPVPM series offers various configurations to match your specific requirements. You can select from different cable lengths and connection types to optimize your setup. Whether you need standard power and communication cables or specialized I/O connections, each component is clearly coded in the model number system for straightforward ordering. The ROBO Pump's technical capabilities are impressive, featuring precise vacuum pressure control and optimized flow volume. The system operates on standard power supply specifications and includes multiple connection options, including direct PLC connection and Archon EC compatibility. The comprehensive dimensional specifications ensure proper integration into your existing systems, while the environmental specifications guarantee reliable operation across various industrial conditions. Using a standard nitrile rubber pad at minus 50 kPa, that's negative 50 kilopascal pressure, the system can handle various loads depending on the suction pad diameter. The specifications include both horizontal lifting with a safety factor of 4 and vertical lifting with a safety factor of 8, ensuring safe and reliable operation across different pad sizes from 1 to 20 millimeters in diameter. This detailed payload information helps you select the perfect configuration for your specific application needs. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the ROBO PUMP vacuum system. As we've demonstrated, this innovative solution delivers exceptional precision in vacuum control, features a remarkably compact design for versatile mounting options, and seamlessly integrates into your existing automation systems. For more information about the ROBO PUMP or to discuss how it can enhance your specific automation needs, please don't hesitate to contact our team at IAI. We're here to help you optimize your manufacturing processes with our cutting-edge solutions.